morning, my name is Katarina Sihotang. Dear campus leaders, lecturers, and fellow students whom I respect. Today, I stand before you all to discuss an important issue that affects the health and comfort of our entire campus community, namely smoking behavior in campus areas. This is not just a matter of personal choice, but of collective well-being. Assumption that they have grown up being misunderstood by doing things that are prohibited, like free sex, the number of which is getting more and more out of control. And what's worse is that it's not just students who do it. Even teenagers are also taking part in this inappropriate act. We often hear about the example above, and there are laws that regulate it so that it can be minimized. However, for a smaller example, which we often encounter in everyday life, namely the smoking culture. Response: this is very quick, and even when there is a law that regulates it, it is fiercely opposed by some of the Indonesian population. Regulations are no longer approved if they are not in line with thinking. First of all, the smoking culture seems to have become embedded in Indonesian society, especially students. Students are better known as cigarette consumers rather than their actual role as agents of change. Cigarettes, which basically damage health and the environment, are still in demand by students, who definitely know and understand the dangers of these cigarettes. Once again, we see the true role of students, namely agents of change. It is true, creating a better Indonesian is everyone's dream, and students often become intermediaries in voicing their opinions. However, if students become an obstacle to the nation's progress, who knows what will happen to this nation? Smoking indirectly makes consumers feel like they have swallowed a time bomb that could explode one day. The impact of smoking is not only detrimental to active smokers, but also passive smokers and even the environment. The dangers of smoking for active smokers are already familiar to us, with the consequences of smoking displayed on the packaging labels. It is certain that all smokers have read them, but are simply ignored. The impact is worse for passive smokers, because the smoke expelled by smokers and inhaled will cause more serious problems, even more dangerous than the effects of active smokers. Apart from that, the impact that is not less dangerous is for the environment. Cigarette butts take 5 years to decompose into soil toxic substances. During this time, it will remain in the soil and result in the soil's fertility decreasing, and the growth of the surrounding plants will be hampered. Moreover, if the substance is carried away by rain, the impact will be more widespread. After the cigarette butt is thrown away, it will take 3 hours for the embers to go out, and during that time the embers from the cigarette butt will cause the plants to wilt due to burning and are very likely to trigger a fire. Thank you for your attention. Let us continue to learn and grow together, and make Bina Sarana Informatika University a place where we can achieve our dreams. With this more in-depth closing, you will leave a strong impression and inspire the audience to take positive action. Happy learning and success always. Hello, good morning everyone. Today I will discuss the present continuous tense. What is the present continuous tense? The present continuous verb tense indicates that an action or condition is happening now, frequently may continue into future. What's the structure? The first is affirmative or positive. Subject plus am or is or are plus present participle, verb plus ing plus object. The second is negative or negative. Subject plus am or is or are plus not plus present plus participle, verb plus ing plus object. And finally, there is an interrogative, am or is or are plus subject plus verb ing. Rules and points to remember when using it. Number 1. Always start with the subject when it is a positive or negative sentence, and with the helping verb when it is in the interrogative format. Number 2. A sentence with the present continuous tense consists of a helping verb to be formed of verbs and main verb. The helping verbs can be am for a plural subject. Number 3. Just note that like the other pronouns, the pronoun am cannot be used in the negative form in an interrogative sentence. Instead of am, aren't is used. Uses. Number 1. It is used to represent an action that is happening or progressing in the moment that the speaker is speaking. Number 2. It depicts a future event or arrangement. Number 3. It is used to talk about the action that is going or continuing at the time of speaking. Examples 1. Positive. She is dancing in the living room. Negative. She is not dancing in the living room. Interrogative. Are you dancing now? Examples 2. Positive. Jason plays the guitar. Negative. Jason doesn't play the guitar. Interrogative. Does Jason play the guitar? Examples 4. Positive. That is monkey. Negative. That is not monkey. Interrogative. Is that is monkey? Examples 5. Positive. My dog is always hungry. Negative. My dog is not always hungry. Is your dog always hungry? Interrogative. Example 6. Positive. We have a meeting now. Negative. We don't have a meeting now. Interrogative. Do we have a meeting now? Example 7. Positive. Sarah read a letter. Negative. Sarah didn't write the letter. Interrogative. Do you Sarah read a letter now? Examples 8. Positive. He has black hair. Negative. He doesn't have black hair. Interrogative. Does he have black hair? Examples 8. Positive. I drink water in the morning. Negative. I don't water in the morning. Interrogative. Do I drink water in the morning? Examples 9. Positive. She loves eating ice cream. Negative. She doesn't love eating ice cream. Interrogative. Does she love eating ice cream? Examples 10. Positive. We watch television every night. Negative. We don't watch television every night. Interrogative. Do we watch television every night? Examples 11. Positive. They clean the classroom. Negative. They don't clean the classroom. Interrogative. Do they clean the classroom? Examples 12. Positive. She wants to be a doctor. Negative. She didn't want to be a doctor. Interrogative. Do you see want to be a doctor? Worksheet. Number 1. You with us right now. Number 2. See on the floor. Number 3. Yes, Ram, today's event. Number 4. The chief minister the flag. Number 5. They in the drama. Number 6. He his new business. Number 7. She them the values of education. Number 8. I you right now. Number 9. He the workshop. Number 10. They from the top of mountain. Answer. Number 1. You are coming with us right now. Number 2. She is not dancing on the floor. Number 3. Yes, Ram is hosting today's event. Number 4. The chief minister is hosting the flag. Number 5. Are they acting in the drama? Number 6. He is starting his new business. Number 7. She is realizing them the values of education. Number 8. I troubling you right now. Number 9. He is opening the workshop. Number 10. Are they jumping from the top mountain? Thank you.